Hello everyone, welcome to MBA Karo. I hope you must have solved this set and enjoyed solving it. It says that Goddess Saraswati had a devotee who was very good at math. So she gave him two puzzles. Okay, and he answered both of them very quickly. Let's see how fast you could have answered them. Okay, so first it says root HC plus F is equal to HCF. Okay, now one thing that we must know is, let us say if we have a number has one digit, okay, so its square has one or two digits. Maximum, like if you say one square is one. Maximum is nine square is 81, two digits, right? If a number has two digits, let us say we take 10, so 10 square is 100. Okay, and if we take 90, 90 will be 8100. So it has three digits or four digits. Okay, so basically, like if you have these numbers, three digit numbers, so it will have five or six digit, right? So that is the basic thing that we need to keep in mind. Since it is a two digit number, okay, so its square root will be one digit, so it will be less than 10, and this will also be less than 10, right? So this will be less than 20. So under root HCF will be less than 20. Okay, if it is less than 20, that means the first digit of the square root should be 1. Okay, if it is, and this should be a two digit number, because two digit number square have three digits, so that means the first digit should be 1. So 1 and some other number, and it's a square. Okay, now if we have let us say a number like 1 and some number square, let us say if we take 10 square, 10 square is 100. Okay, and if we say 2 and square, that is 400, right? Or the largest number starting with 1, that square will be 361. So that means this digit is minimum 1, maximum 3. Okay, so h is 1 2 3, maximum 3. Okay, so let us start with higher number and see. So if h is, let us say, 3, okay, h is 3, then hc will be a square when it is 6. Okay, and hcf will be a square when it is 1. So if we take root 36 plus 1 is equal to root 361, that does not work. 6 plus 1, and this comes as 19, so it is not a possible solution. Okay, then we take 2, so 2 5, and here we have 2 5 and then 6, right? So 2 5 plus 6, let us see that if equation works. 5 plus 6, and that is 16. So again, not working. Okay, so h is not possible as 2 also. Now if we take h is equal to 1, right? So h is equal to 1, that means 1 6 is a square number here, and we have 1 6 and 9. So this works well. 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. So that is the solution to this. So HCF is equal to 1 6 and 9. Okay, so that is the answer to this. Now to the second problem, MO plus O plus D is equal to under root MOD. Okay, now here also we will apply the same logic. This is a single digit number, single digit, two digit number. Okay, now max to max, like if we add three two digit single digit numbers, let us say even if we add 7 8 9, right, just taking an example, we will get 24, right, which is less than 30. So this will be less than 30, mod will be less than 30, under root of mod. So mod square will be like this number when it is without root, so it should be less than 30 whole square. Okay, so that is less than 900. So we can have like either this first digit will be of under root mod will be 1, or it will be 2, right? Either it will be 10 in the lines of 10, three digits added can give a two digit number. Either it will be in the line of 10 or in the line of 20. So if we have in the line of 20, so that means square will be like 4, square can start from 4 5 6 7 till 8. In case of 1, as we saw, in case of 1 it is 1 2 or 3. Okay, the square digit, first digit. So if we have 2 square, let us say if the sum is more than 20, right? If the sum is more than 20, so it will be 400, the square will be 400 something. So we can have 4 9, but we do not get a perfect square after this. Okay, we do not have any number of 2 digits starting with 5, so this is not possible. Then if we think from 6, so it can be 6 4, then again we cannot form a perfect square of 3 digits. 7 if we think of, we cannot have any square in this range. 8 if we think of 81, but third digit like MO, this I'm taking MO. Okay, so 81 is also not possible. So that means again it has to be starting with 1. Okay, for 1 we will again take these same cases. So we can say that 361, then we can have 256 and 169. We already did in the first puzzle. So 361 means if I take MOD 361, 169 should not be the answer because in the previous one it was the answer. So if we take that is 4 plus this is 6 plus 9. Okay, that is equal to 13. That is not true, right? Because 4 M is MO is 16. In this case, if we take, we will get 5. 25 ka under root is 5 plus O is 5 plus 6 and RHS is 256, that is 16. So that works out. That should be the solution. If we check this, root 36 is 6 plus 6 plus 1, and on the RHS we have this is root 19. So it is not equal. So this is also not true. So only that fits is 256. So MOD is 2, 5 and 6. Okay, so the first question is what is the value of H? The value of H is 1. What is the value of O? The value of O is 5. Okay, then mod minus HCF, under root of mod is 16 and under root of HCF is 13. So the answer is 3. Which two letters represent the same digit? Okay, so we have C and D representing the same digit, which is 6. So that is the way to approach the problem, right? I did explain in detail, but you might go with hit and trial also. ठीक है, so for example you need not start from the highest number, आप छोटे नंबर से भी start कर सकते थे, उससे भी आंसर आ सकता था. मैंने बस ये दिखाया कि बड़ी possibilities कैसे रिजेक्ट की. Like if we started from 1 we could have got in 2 steps itself, right? 256 में ही आंसर आ जाता. Similarly अगर हम यहाँ से start करते, so always remember that if you are applying hit and trial and you are able to get the answer fast, so just go with that. Because unless it is given that it is cannot be determined or more than one option, that means that there might be more than one cases. But if you are getting a unique answer, just go with the flow. So that is how we will solve this question, and these are the answers to the questions.